The Indian government has approved a bus scheme called PM E-Bus Sewa to augment city bus operations by 10,000 e-buses on a public-private partnership (PPP) model. The scheme, estimated to cost 57,613 crore, out of which support of 20,000 crore will be provided by the central government. The scheme will support bus operations for 10 years. The scheme will cover cities with a population of 3 lakh or more, including all capital cities in the Union Territories, Northeastern Region, and Hill States. Priority will be given to cities without organized bus services. The scheme will generate 45,000 to 55,000 direct jobs through the deployment of around 10,000 buses in city bus operations. The scheme has two segments, Segment A, which aims to augment city bus services, and Segment B, which focuses on Green Urban Mobility Initiatives, GUMI. States/cities will run bus services and pay operators, with the central government providing subsidies to the extent specified in the scheme.